blueberry smoothie. What you're going to need: a cup of oats soaked overnight in some water, 3 tablespoons of chia seeds also soaked overnight, a cup of frozen blueberries, you can also use fresh blueberries, a cup of coconut milk, a scoop of vegan protein powder. I would suggest either a light strawberry flavor or a vanilla flavor, but nothing heavy like chocolate. A tablespoon of walnuts, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. All you're going to do is add all your ingredients to a blender, starting with the milk, soaked chia seeds, cup of oats, blueberries, scoop of vegan protein powder, tablespoon of walnuts, tablespoon of peanut butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Put the lid on and then we're going to blend. I've transferred the smoothie mixture into a serving glass and simply topped it with some chia seeds, peanut butter and some sliced bananas and a mint leaf on top.